Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh. So kailangan may world tour entrance. Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, your question.
From Jana Narido. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby, and yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full out na namin. Pantropico.
Uy, nakikinig kami. Akala ko may iba kang sabihin.
Yes, yun lang. I love Pantropico. Sobrang sarap ng sayawin. Yun yung world tour kasi iba yung coding sa Bangkok. So it's something new. Thank you!
That's just saying, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat pag-ataw mo, binibigay mo ng buong. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Sheena.
Sheena.
And last but not the least,